Having trouble installing iOS 18.2 on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Guiding Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix the problem if you're experiencing any problem downloading and installing the iOS 18.2 on any iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, the iOS download and installing problem can be happen for several reasons. The very first thing that you can do, you just need to check out your internet connection. Go ahead and open up any browser from a choice and go to any website you wish and see if that website is actually loading with your internet or not. You just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can swipe down from the very top, and if you're using Wi-Fi, then switch it to a stable data connection, or if you're still using the data connection, then connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi connection and see if that fixes your problem or not. And also you can enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds and turn this option off, and this will actually slightly restart your network system, and sometime this can fix your problem and you will be able to update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then here's the next process that you guys can follow. An update problem also can be happen for the storage issue. Just need to open up the settings app from a device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you just need to look at your iPhone storage. If you don't have available free storage, it might prevent your update to updating to your iPhone to the iOS 18.2. So all you have to do is just need to make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of free storage. If you don't have free storage, all you can do, you can delete some of the unnecessary apps and games from your device, and also you can go to the Photos application and delete some of the unnecessary photos and videos, and make sure you have that free storage. And right after that, you just need to try downloading the iOS 18.2. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the problem, then this is the last process that you guys can follow. You just need to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Then this will actually force restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely all the software glitches and bugs will be fixed and you will be able to download and install the iOS 18.2 right on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.